So if stairs the reason you've been putting off buying a home, this video is for you. Here are 7 things you need to know about ranch style single level living. And I'm filming this one actually from inside an actual new construction home, not just talking about the idea from my studio. If this is your first time on the channel, hey, I'm Daniel Morbell, real estate agent and broker from eXp Realty based in Charlotte, North Carolina. I service both North Carolina and South Carolina. Quick ask before we get into it. If you're finding this channel helpful in any way, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the new videos I post every single week. And it's covering a lot of the area itself in and around Charlotte. If single level living is something you're seriously considering, don't wait until the end of this video to reach out. The link is right below, so you can grab a spot on my calendar and I'll help you figure out what that actually looks like for you. So no more talking, let's get into it. So number 1, what actually makes a home a ranch? Let's start with simple, because this term gets used loosely. A true ranch style home means every livable space, things like bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, living room, sits on a single level, no stairs. To get you from your bedroom to your kitchen, no stairs, period, inside the home itself. This home right here that I'm standing in is a great example. It's about 1,500 square feet, 1,542 to be exact. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and every single one of those rooms is on the same level, even the garage. So that's the house I'm standing in right now, and that's traditionally what a ranch style home is. This distinction matters because plenty of homes get marketed with the ranch style curb appeal, while still hiding a staircase in a bonus room or in a basement. A true single level floor plan doesn't have that at all. What you see on this level is the entire home. Number 2, why single level living has broader appeal than people think. So I want to walk you through who actually benefits from a layout like this, because it's a wider group of buyers than most people assume. If you're moving furniture, no stairs to navigate. If you're carrying groceries, laundry, or something heavy, no stairs to navigate. Everything stays on one level. If you're recovering from an injury, temporary or long-term, a single level home simply asks less of you day to day. If you've got young kids or pets, there's no staircase to baby-proof or worry about. Fewer stairs means fewer places to fall, easier day-to-day movement, and a layout that works for you, whatever stage of life you're in when you buy it. And whatever changes come after that too. That's not a niche feature, that's real, broad particular appeal, which is exactly why single level new construction tends to hold demand well over time. Now, think about it from a resale standpoint. A 2-story home appeals to buyers who specifically want a 2-story home. A single level home appeals to nearly everyone, because almost no one is turned off by the option of not having stairs, even if it wasn't their top priority walking into the whole deal. Now, number 3, the new construction advantage generally. So this one applies beyond just one home. So Meritage Homes, who built this community, has been in business since 1985. They delivered more than 180,000 homes across 10 states and is a multi-year Energy Star Partner of the Year, an award that actually means something. It's not just a sticker on a brochure. This specific home runs a heat pump system with Energy Star qualified equipment, which means lower utility bills compared to a lot of older resale homes on the market, especially older single-family homes that were built decades before energy codes required this level of efficiency. In new construction also comes with something resale often can't offer, and that's a builder warranty. And in this community specifically, a guarantee to close within 60 days, backed by up to a $5,000 reimbursement in expenses if the builder causes any delays. Now, if it's on your end, that doesn't really count. Now compare that to buying an older ranch home on the resale market. You might get a smaller layout, but you're also potentially inheriting an aging roof, outdated HVAC, or a foundation that hasn't been touched since it was built. None of that uncertainty exists in a new construction home. So what does that mean for you? You're not just buying a square footage, you're buying a warranty, energy efficiency, and level of predictability that an older single-level resale home usually can't match at a similar price. Now, number 4, what this specific home actually offers. This home is listed at approximately $380,000. It's 1,542 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, sitting on a slab foundation. It comes move-in ready with a washer, dryer, refrigerator, and a whole home blinds already included, which is honestly rare for new construction at this price point. A lot of builders leave those as buyer expenses to do after the closing. Easily another couple $1,000 you'd need to budget separately after closing. Here, they're built into the deal. And this specific floor plan is actually priced over 10% below this area's average home price value, which is currently sits around $461,000. Walking through a home like this, you notice the differences immediately. No hallway leading to a staircase, eating into your square footage, no awkward landing space, just open, usable floor plan from the front door to the back patio. Quick pause halfway through this video. If single level living is something you or someone in your life has been thinking about, you don't need to wait until the end of this video. The link is right below, so grab a time on my calendar and let's talk through your specific situation. All right, let's keep on going. All right, so number 5, and it's about the place, the actual location this home is in. Stanley is a small town in Gaston County, home to around 4,000 residents, and it's growing. You're right off the Highway 27 with easy access to downtown Stanley and Mount Holly, which is growing rapidly, and a manageable drive into Charlotte itself. This isn't a town most relocation content covers, which honestly makes it worth a closer look. Smaller towns like this one tend to offer exactly what a lot of buyers are looking for right now, which is, of course, lower prices, a slower pace of life sometimes, and new construction that simply isn't available anymore in the more built-out parts of this Charlotte metro area. One local highlight worth knowing about is the U.S. National Whitewater Center, which sits nearby, and it's a 1,300-acre outdoor hub offering things like rafting, biking, climbing, and regular festivals and events. One of the more unique recreational assets anywhere in the Charlotte metro. So what does that mean for you? Stanley gives you a small town pricing and pace without putting you hours away from everything in this region. All right, so number 6, the cost math on ranch versus 2-story. Now, this is worth understanding whether you buy this exact home or not. Within this same community, Meritage also builds 2-story plans, along with many of the other builders in the area. It goes from 1,800 to about 2,000 square feet. It is priced higher than this particular house that's a single level plan. But here's the honest trade-off. Ranch homes typically cost more per square foot to build, since you're covering more roof and foundation for the same amount of living space compared to stacking a second floor on a smaller footprint. That simple construction math, more foundation, more roof line per square foot of living space. But what you're paying for just isn't square footage, it's layout itself. And for a lot of buyers, that layout is worth the premium. Think about it this way. 2 buyers could spend the exact same amount of money on one larger 2-story home, one on this smaller single-level home, and both would walk away feeling like they made the right call because they were solving for different things. If your priority is single-level living, specifically, you're not overpaying. You're paying for a feature that a 2-story home simply can't offer you, no matter how much square footage it has. Now, number 7, the honest pros and cons. And I want to give you the full picture, not just the sales pitch. So, the pros. No stairs ever inside the home. Lower long-term maintenance, since single-level homes are typically easier to clean, heat, and cool evenly. A layout that works for you, regardless of how your life changes over the years you own it. Broad resale appeal, since single-level homes consistently draw a wide range of buyers when it comes time to sell. Now, the cons. Less square footage per dollar compared to a 2-story home on the same size lot. A larger roof and foundation footprint, which can mean higher costs for exterior maintenance down the road compared to a smaller 2-story footprint. And in a lot of new communities, especially around here, single level plans sell faster and get built out earlier. So your floor plan and lot choices can be more limited if you wait too long to decide. My personal take, I show single level new construction to a wide range of clients, and the appeal is consistent and it cuts across whatever brought them to my door in the first place. So that's a real look at single level living filmed inside an actual new construction home, not just a description of the idea. No stairs, Energy Star efficiency, a builder warranty, and a price point sitting well below this area's average. I'll be honest with you, this isn't a topic I see covered much on other relocation channels. And after walking through this home, like this one, I think that's the real gap worth filling. Single level living isn't a niche request. It's one of the most practical and broadly appealing features a home can offer at any price point. If a layout like this is something you've been considering, whether it's this exact home or the concept in general, that's exactly the kind of conversation I have with my clients regularly. So here's what to do next. The link is right below this video. So grab a spot on my calendar and let's figure out if single level living is the right move for you. And if you don't have a lender yet, I can connect you one that I trust free of charge. And like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.